Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So I just wanted to quickly make a video because I was just filtering some pumice. So I thought I will make this video because this is extremely important, especially when you're working with these ingredients of soil mix. This is pumice. Even perlite will have the same effect, and vermiculite as well. So these are the three ingredients that you have to be extremely careful when you are mixing in your soil mix. As you can see, I have my mask. I have worn the mask. I'm not very sure if it's going to be audible, but this is what I wanted to show. So the moment I am going to filter this off, you will be able to see all this dust. Now, this dust can be very dangerous if you are doing this on a regular basis, and if you're not using any kind of mask. This dust can be very dangerous for your lungs, so you have to be extremely careful whenever you are making your soil mix. As you can see, this is all the dust that is going to come out from your pumice. The same thing with perlite. In fact, perlite is going to have even more of that perlite dust. Same thing with vermiculite as well. So ensure whenever you're working with perlite, pumice, vermiculite, please use a mask. Even for that matter, whenever you are making a soil mix, it's better to use a mask, but especially in these three ingredients, because they can be quite dangerous for your lungs. There have been cases that people had some respiratory problems after inhaling this dust. Usually this happens when it is done on a long term, but if you are quite sensitive to dust, if you have allergy problems, this can aggravate it even more, so be extremely careful. So guys, that's all about it. I just wanted to give you a quick short video on this because this is equally important as growing succulents. Health comes first, so be very careful whenever you're working with these materials. Thank you so much for watching.